This is a reveal. Papo niya guys, sobrang cute. Guys, may sticker, may photo siya ni Wang Yo. Oh, ang ganda pala ng packaging ng Skin by BYS. Hi guys, it's Galvez. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today's episode is very special because we are unboxing BYS new YOUP kit. Yes! So sa mga fans sa mga Korean dyan, this is actually the first time that I'm gonna open it. As you guys can see, sealed pa siya as in. So this one just arrived today and I'm so excited because... Bakit ako excited? Because I can see YOUP peeking from the inside. Yeah! So if you guys want to see what's inside this box, just continue watching. Now, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and of course, click the notification bell. Tama ba yan? Yes! So let's unbox this beauty. So, of course, it comes in acrylic packaging na sobrang nice. And look at that! This is something that you're not gonna throw, guys. This is for collectors. This is a reveal. YOUP! Oh my gosh! Ang gwapo niya, guys! Sobrang cute! YOUP, as you guys all know, sikat siya in Korea for his Korean drama. And alam niyo ba, guys, that YOUP actually studied here in the Philippines. He lived here during his high school at saka college days. So, nagkaroon ng chance na makilala siya. Wow, napakaswerte niyo. At kung you guys are still connected with him, sobrang nice. Grabe. Okay, so as you guys can see, YOUP is promoting Skin by BYS. So, see what's inside this. So, I think this one has the Extra Gentle Milk Jelly, Extra Glow Face Cream, Extra Effortless Perfecting Sunblock, Extra Brightening Eye Cream, Extra Glow Brightening Serum, Extra Hydrating Balancing Toner. So guys, if you want to have skin like YOUP, am I saying that right? Tingnan nyo naman yung skin niya. Saka, ang cute! Grabe! So, nice packaging. Let's not ruin YOUP. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! May something siya sa loob, guys. May sticker. May photo siya ni YOUP. Oh my gosh! It has a card which says YOUP for BYS and may signature niya. And look at that! You can put this in your wallet! Oh my gosh! Ang cute! Nakatago talaga siya dito, guys. And then, of course, the product. Oh my gosh! Oh, ang ganda pala ng packaging ng Skin by BYS in all white. And then it has, of course, the balancing toner. And then the brightening serum. Extra whitening eye cream. Extra gentle milk jelly cleanser for cleansing your face. And then effortless pore perfecting sunblock. If you want to look like YOUP, then get this one. Okay, so let's check out the other contents on the box. Sure, guys. So it has... Oh, this is so cute. A BYS makeup brushes in different colors. LGBT, guys. At saka, very handy siya, ha. Pwede siya... You can put this in your everyday kikay bag wherever you go. Oh, I like this! BYS press on mannequin nails. Not for me. Pero, ginagamit ko siya kapag meron kami mga models na hindi sila naka-manicure or anything. Kasi sobrang nakaka-girl. Oh my gosh, thank you. And then, ooh, Barbie BYS Limited Collection. Okay, I think this is lipsticks. Liquid eyeshadow. Okay, this is a liquid eyeshadow. And then, this is a matte lipstick. Cruelty and vegan. Okay, so this one is the liquid eyeshadow. Oh my gosh, ang ganda niya. I can use this in silver eyeshadow, glittered eyeshadow. Ang ganda. Oh my gosh. I didn't expect that. And then this one is the lipstick. So it says $199 for a lipstick. Not bad. That's a very reasonable price. Oh, it's Barbie pink lipstick. How cute. Be awesome. If you want to look like Barbie X BYS. Oh, this is eyeliner. I want this. You know that I love creating colored graphic liners. I can create this using this. And then, lastly, oh my gosh, this is the Barbie x BYS palette. I think this is a makeup palette. Tada! Oh my gosh, ang ganda ng colors! Pink and purple and some lilac colors. And different textures. Actually, meron din mga light colored ones. Beige, off-white, and some ivory colors, champagne colors. These are the purple lilac shades. And then some pink. I think this one, okay. This one is, I think, is a highlighter. This one is a blush. And then everything else is an eyeshadow. Meron din mga golden and silver shades. And metallic, glitter. So, ang ganda guys. Ayan, oh my gosh. This is so nice. Good job, BYS. Kasi yung mga collaborations ng BYS with other brands, they're actually quite amazing. Fun fact, the last product that I've used with BYS was their collaboration with Park Seo-joon. Grabe yung yung the cushion foundation. Grabe, as in nakiklik siya automatically on your face. So parang sobrang nice niya at saka sobrang nakakaganda talaga siya ng skin if you're a fan of using cushion foundation on your face like Koreans. Okay, so that's it guys. So wala na, that's it. Everything in the YOUP box na unbox na natin. So guys, thank you all for watching. Bye!